Brent, it's great to see you. We've talked a lot this morning about the deceleration in Azure and the deceleration in YouTube. Who had the cleaner quarter?
I think ultimately both had kind of messy quarters. Google had the pullback in advertising, and you continue to see Microsoft decel on Azure. So I'd say overall, I think Microsoft still is cleaner in the sense that there's recurring revenue, there's visibility. Google's still living with the uncertainty of advertisers. You can turn advertising off in a nanosecond if you're a corporation. So that's really, we're seeing probably the biggest turnoff across the board with Snap. Now, Google, we'll see with Meta tonight, but we're seeing a tremendous amount of turmoil in the ad market. So I'd say, Microsoft was cleaner, albeit you had that Azure miss and you have the decel that they're guiding for, and you're starting to see now the weakness in the Microsoft business go from the small and mid-size up into the enterprise. And that, again, is what investors were most concerned about. But Microsoft definitely, from my perspective, one in terms of durability. Right now, I think the next 6 months are really foggy as it relates to the rest of large cap tech, given the demand picture continues to soften.
Right. Was there a single metric on Alphabet that exceeded your estimates? And what do you make of this argument this morning that they're fat, that there's some bloat?
Well, I think there's bloat across all of tech. If you look at Microsoft and Google's headcount numbers, it was like there's no recession, there's no pullback. I mean, the way they're hiring is absolutely crazy. Like the numbers, the growth rates are incredible. And so they've got to throw the air brakes on hiring in a big way to get their costs under control. To your question, the one single metric at Google that stood out was Google Cloud. Google Cloud was better than most had feared. Obviously started to decel at Microsoft. We don't think there's share gains that are happening here. Still, AWS is the 800-pound gorilla, but Google Cloud did stand out as relates to your question.
Well, Brent, to follow up on your comment just now that hiring's out of control, the question we've been asking is, are these companies actually going to take the measures to control it or even cut? And that seems very much unclear at this point. What's your read on the willingness of some of these very large technology companies, which have added thousands upon thousands of employees, even in the last quarter, their willingness to actually cut them?
David, they are starting to trim. Microsoft will be up sequentially into Q2 with headcount, but they are no question controlling that. And if there's one thing I've learned from covering Microsoft for 2 decades, when Amy Hood says she's going to do something, she does it. And I think she is going to throw the air brakes on. I think they will be able to control the bottom line better than most in tech. We expect that to happen again. But I think many of these companies have created this disillusionment that this will continue forever and that they can fly across the water without getting wet. And I ultimately believe they're now seeing a wake-up call, and we're seeing, again, we think the next 6 months are going to be under some duress. I do think they're taking this serious, and I think they are taking control around the expense.